So I've got the chance to test the Huawei GT watch for about a day, and so far I am impressed. I love the 1.39-inch AMOLED display, and I found it to be bright and clear. The resolution of 454 by 454 pixels is great because it is higher than many other smartwatches in the market. And let's go ahead and have a look at the menus here. So you've got a lot of different options in this watch. You've got the workout option. You have different options for outdoor running, indoor, walk, climbing, trailing, cycling, swimming, triathlon, and others. So the watch can give you all these statistics. Swipe to the left or to the right to go back. Workout records. So I don't have any records so far. Workout stats. That gives you the status of your workout, the training load, and the VO2 max. All right, then you've got the heart rate. Now I've disabled the heart rate. Oh, right now it's measuring my heart rate. Let's see my heart rate right now. So it's 77 beats per minute, but I've disabled heart rate because I really don't need that option. It will reduce your battery life, so I don't need heart rate. I've disabled it. But for those people that need heart rate statistics, it's great. It gives you lots of data regarding that. Activity records, this gives you the number of steps. So there's the pedometer, there's a timer. This tells you how many times you've been sedentary or idle. So the watch can remind you to move. This is very good. The sleep statistics in the watch, they tell you exactly how many hours of sleep, REM sleep, deep sleep, light sleep. The watch told me that I slept 8 hours and 15 minutes yesterday, but I had lots of light sleep, so I need to work on that. It gives you suggestions on how to do it, but more details can be found in the Huawei app. There's also a barometer. There you go. Tells you the altitude. There's a compass. The weather, of course. Notifications. This is a very useful function. So if your watch is connected to your phone, you can get lots of different types of notifications. You enable what type of notifications you want. There's the stopwatch, the timer, different types of timers. The alarm. I like the alarm because it's gentle and it wakes you up with the vibration. The flashlight. Now this is a very novel idea. The phone screen turns bright, so that kind of emulates a flashlight. Find My Phone feature is very nice because, right now it's not connected, because it can find your phone. A lot of times I lose my phone and I can't find my phone anywhere in the room, so this is a very nifty feature as well. And then you've got settings. Now the top button works to wake the watch and then take you to the main menu. So overall, I like this watch. It feels premium, made of high quality materials, scratch resistant steel, and I also like the strap. And the strap, of course, can be changed. There's so many options for changing the strap. I love the incredible screen, the sharpness of the screen. It's a beautiful AMOLED screen. I like the design. It feels premium. The price is also great, about $190, but you can find it less than that now. And of course, the most important feature of this watch is the incredible battery life. As for the cons, I don't like the fact that it doesn't have much support for phone apps, so it's limited phone app support, but that's not a big deal for me because I just like to use the basic applications. So no third-party app access for this watch. And also for those people that care about NFC payments, this watch has no support for NFC payments, so you can't pay for stuff using your watch. And of course, you can't make phone calls with this watch. So it's unlike the other watches where you can make phone calls with this watch, but that's not a big deal for me. I've tried the other watches. For example, I had a Galaxy Gear watch that used to make phone calls, but honestly, I felt kind of ridiculous doing that. It's not very convenient. So if you compare this watch with some of the other watches that you might have, for example, I've got this one or this one right here, or even the Xiaomi Amazfit watch that I had before. This was amazing because it still is, honestly, but I've upgraded to the Huawei watch because of the battery life. This lasts for a month. If you have analog watches like these, they look great. Now, the smartwatch race all started with this guy. I've still kept him. The Samsung Galaxy Gear, the very first Samsung Galaxy Gear watch, which was released many years ago. But now it's not working anymore. It had a camera, an AMOLED screen, The battery life was horrible, but it used to make calls, and that was like so awesome at the day, the Dick Tracy kind of style. But I found out that it's not very convenient nor useful, because you look ridiculous in making calls using your wristwatch. The sound is not very loud, so you're going to be struggling to hear the other person talking on the line. So if you compare these two watches, we've come a long way, and I'm actually happy with what Huawei has done so far with this affordable watch. And that is why I highly recommend this watch, the Huawei GT watch.